Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Drumheller, Alberta. It's another beautiful morning here in Alberta, just outside Banff National Park. For the past few days, we've been staying at Banff Woods Lodge in Canmore. This place was absolutely wonderful and was the perfect place to unwind after walking around Banff. But today, we're packing our bags and hitting the road again, this time towards Drumheller, home of some of Canada's biggest dinosaur exhibits. I can't believe it! We just seen a bear on the side of the road. What luck.
We are still reeling from the excitement of seeing a bear.
Yes.
But now we have gotten to the Orkney viewpoint. Orkney viewpoint, which gives us an incredible view of the Red Deer Valley.
It's beautiful.
So this viewpoint is extremely accessible. You can drive right up to it. It has 2 washrooms right on the parking lot, and right from the parking lot you can get a perfect photo of this valley. There's also a couple benches down the pass that you can just sit on and relax.
It's out a little bit out of the way, but I think it's worth it. Good spot for a picnic.
So Drumheller is famous for all the dinosaur bones that have been found around here. And if you walk around their downtown, it is no surprise that they absolutely embrace the dinosaur theme here. There is dinosaurs all over the place on top of buildings. And there's even a giant one that we're about to go find.
I think we see the big dinosaur. Holy shoot.
There it is. So this is the world's largest dinosaur statue, standing at 86 feet tall, 151 feet long, and apparently there is over 100 steps inside for us to get up into the mouth of the T-Rex.
We'll see if we can do it, I'm not sure. Wheel on in.
On top of the dino.
Oh, this is so cute. We are currently in the dinosaur rump. So to get up this dino, it costs $5 per person. We're gonna see if it was worth it. So far, I wish they had an elevator. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. We have made it. We've made it to the top of the dinosaur mouth. I'm in a T-Rex. That'll never say that again. $5 well spent. Our next stop was the Royal Tyrrell Museum. This museum has one of the world's largest displays of dinosaur bones. The museum was named after Joseph Burr Tyrrell, a geologist who discovered a 70-million-year-old skull from a carnivorous dinosaur in 1884, not far from this location. The museum cost $21 each to get in and was definitely worth it to see these incredible exhibits. I found my bestie boo. It's a Corythosaurus. Is that right? Trying to pronounce half the names of these dinos. Not happening. Idislay-ceratopsia? Brachylophosaurus. Brachylophosaurus? Diploceraps. Oh, fuck. Diploceraspis? I think that's it. This one should be easy. Psittacosaurus. I think so. Psittacosaurus. Leptoceratops. Getting better. Montanoceratops. It's crazy. I have never even heard of half of these dinosaurs. I'm too TV and movie trained, I think.
Raptors, T-Rexes, Stegosaurus, that's about it.
Brontosaurus, Triceratops. Thank you, Land Before Time. And Ducky, what was Ducky? 8 meters, a fearsome carnivore. It's me. Just kidding. It's not.
It's crazy to think that the valley that we were just standing at, that viewpoint looking out over, used to be filled with all these creatures. There were so many of these fossils that were found in the Red Deer Valley.
I found an Allosaurus. Right here. Looks exactly like him. I'm just itty bitty compared to the size of this dino. What even is it? T-Rex? No,
Camarasaurus.
Camarasaurus. Chris is a Camarasaurus. We just made it out of the museum. It was amazing. If you are here, definitely come check it out.
The other cool thing about this museum is where it's located. Right inside the Badlands.
Chris, your shoelace is untied.
Oh, that's dangerous. So it was a super quick climb to the top of the stairs to get to this viewpoint. Super easy, definitely worth the view. But there's also a 90-minute hiking trail that goes all the way through the Badlands. So if you've got time, definitely do the hike. All right, so now we are just down the road from the museum, literally just a 2-minute drive. And now we're at Canada's smallest church. It only holds 6 people at a time and is settled right here in the foothills of the Badlands.
Wedding date change. No, just kidding. This is so bitty. It's my size. It's like a dollhouse. Yeah.
Come on in.
Peace to all who enter. Now, my real question is, does anyone actually get married here?
The answer to that is yes. People get married here.
So this place only holds 6 people at a time, and I can understand why. very claustrophobic.
Yeah.
And hot.
So hoodoos are large pillars of sandstone rock. They have eroded over time, leaving these pillars. You can find them all over the Badlands, but the biggest ones are here at one of the protected reserves.
I just can't believe they let people walk around here. Like, I thought you were supposed to be preserving this. I don't know, it's like mind-boggling, I guess.
Just saw some kids go in a cave. I'm going to check it out. All right, this cave is pretty small, but still pretty cool. All right, this place is pretty cool. Thought there would be a few more hoodoos. There's only one section that really has a bunch.
Mother Nature has definitely taken a toll, and I'm sure humans as well.
Definitely. But still really cool if you guys want to come check this out.
Yeah, check it out while you can.
Thanks a lot for watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
What are you driving over the worst fucking junk road you can find? Holy
it's
fuck.
the road. It's just because it's graded. Will you give it a rest?
Son of a bitch.
It's good for you.
If I hang on
Massage
like
your
that,
ass.
it'll jerk itself off.
Help. Send help. Eh? I had to pick my wedgie.
No fishing.
Help! He's eating me.
A mammoth! A woolly mammoth!